Hey everyone, Mike Wise here with your quick mortgage and housing market update. We just got fresh inflation data this morning and the news was better than expected. Core CPI, which strips out food and energy, came in lower than economists predicted. That's good news for the bond market and great news for mortgage rates. Here's the deal. Annual inflation rose 3.0% in September, just a hair above August's 2.9%, but below the 3.1% economists were expecting. Month over month, prices rose 0.3% overall, and only 0.2% for core inflation. That's a sign inflation is still sticky, but cooling in the right areas, especially housing. Energy and gas prices did tick higher, but shelter costs, which make up nearly half of the CPI index, continued to ease. So what does that mean for you? It's already showing up in mortgage rates. The average 30-year fixed has dropped to around 6.2%, the lowest level we've seen in over a year. At the start of 2025, we were above 7%. That drop is already boosting refinance activity and starting to pull more buyers off the sidelines. In September, existing home sales rose 1.5% month over month to a 4.06 million annual pace. And even more impressive, the raw unadjusted numbers were up 8.2% year over year. So despite what the headlines might say, the market is picking up momentum. The seasonal adjustment math just hides it. If not for that, we'd likely be looking at a 4.2 million pace already, and I wouldn't be surprised to see 4.3 or 4.4 million by the end of the year. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury yield remains under 4%, and the Fed is widely expected to cut rates again next week. All of this points toward continued easing in mortgage rates through the end of the year, especially if inflation continues cooling. So if you've been waiting to refinance or if you've been sitting on the fence about buying, now's the time to get your numbers updated. Lower rates and slightly cooler competition could make this fall a great entry point before activity heats up again. If you want to see what a lower rate could mean for your payment or cash flow, I'd be happy to run the numbers with you. I'm Mike Wise with CMG Home Loans, helping you own smarter, not slower. Talk soon and have a great week.